How to use bookmarks in Filezilla. This demo assumes you already have Filezilla running on your computer and are connected to a remote server. Now let's learn how to use bookmarks. Bookmarks can greatly increase your productivity, saving often used upload and download locations that you can select with a couple clicks. Before creating a bookmark, make sure you've navigated to the location you want on your local computer, and navigate to the remote folder you want to work with as well. With both locations set, click Bookmarks in the main menu, then click Add Bookmark. Since we already navigated to the locations we want to bookmark, the local and remote directory fields should already be filled out correctly. Type a name for this bookmark, then click OK. That's it. The new bookmark has been saved. To test it out, let's first disconnect from the remote server. Now, reconnect to our server. Then click Bookmarks and select the bookmark we just created. That's it. Selecting the bookmark has resulted in both our local computer and remote server being navigated to the directory locations we defined in the bookmark. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to use bookmarks in Filezilla.